Oh wow, that was creepy. That door just opened by itself. Hi, hello. The time has come. We are gonna film an SFX video and we're gonna learn as we go. I'm gonna learn as I go. I don't have a clue what I'm doing. I feel like I say that in literally every video because that's how I feel every day when I wake up. I don't have a clue what I'm doing. I'm gonna try the Speak No Evil, the zombie mouth, whatever. I watched a tutorial from Glam&Gore and I've actually watched it about 50 million times now. I still may not get it. I've only ever done one SFX thing. I did like a giant gash across my cheek and turned out okay for my first time. So this is not going to be a tutorial or anything like that. Like, this is me following along to her steps. I don't know, nobody compares to her. Like, there's no way it's going to be that great, but it might be okay. So we're gonna try it out. I'm gonna try it out and you're gonna watch. So here we go. I'm gonna zoom you in just a little bit. Okay, so you're probably wondering why my lips are so pale. She said to start with a plain base. I already put concealer on my lips before I started, clearly, but it's like bunching up and being weird. So I'm gonna put just like a little bit more. And then we're gonna go in with the liquid latex. I'm super excited. By the way, for any of you that's never played around with SFX makeup at all before, liquid latex smells so bad. Nobody warns you about that. It smells terrible. Still fun though, but it's an awful smell. She started out and did like a mustache across her lip, and there's probably gonna be a point where I can't talk anymore, and I can't do voiceovers either because I don't have a microphone, so we're just gonna have to roll with it. But she started out with a mustache over her top, and then after she did that first like base, she kind of expanded it a little bit, so that's what I'm gonna do. This stuff legitly smells like fish. It's so bad. Ah, it's already drying. Shit. Oh no, I'm sticky everywhere. This might be a fail video, but I'm gonna post it anyway. Cover the cotton ball itself in liquid latex. Oh no. Oh no. This is what she does, but I'm doing this anyway. I'm taking a palette knife and I'm kind of trying to smooth the edges down. It's not as smooth as I would like it to be, but I know that the first time that I did that scar on my face, that was like my biggest mistake, was not smoothing it down good enough. Before I go any farther, I'm gonna paint the inside of the mouth. That's what she said to do, is just lay some paints underneath so that it can be red and colored and you won't have to like poke through the holes with your paintbrushes and stuff. She said she started with, I think, red first and then brown and black. Mix those colors together. If I need to paint more, I will. I'm just gonna start on the bottom here and then I'll probably expand out to the sides, but I want to get some of the bottom going. Fingers are covered in the stick. Oh my gosh. Okay, I know this is looking kind of crazy right now. My camera died, so I went ahead and finished the edge over here, and then I let the liquid latex dry. And then the only thing I did was go in the holes a little bit with some paint, and then I went over the top of this with just a little bit, not completely opaque obviously, with just a little bit of the brown color, and that's so it can go underneath my foundation. And I'm gonna put some foundation on, but the way she described it is you put that down so that your foundation looks a little more normal instead of it coming out looking too white. So we're gonna try the foundation now. Not like the greatest paint job ever, but it'll do. And then she went in with some scab blood, and after the scab blood she went in with some purple bruise paint all over it to kind of tie it together, but I don't have anything like that, so I think I'm gonna try to mix my blue and my red and maybe stamp some bruises on. But first I'm gonna go in with scab blood. I may or may not have just shoved some in my mouth. Okay, we're gonna see how this looks. I just mixed some blue and purple, not blue and purple. I just mixed some blue and red paint on the back of my hand to make some purple. So we're gonna see. I may have messed up with the purple. You just go back over it with a little foundation so it's not super intense. You guys, I think I'm done. I could obviously go in and perfect a couple more things, but holy shit, I think I'm done. I think I did it. I think I did it. Holy shit, I did it. I mean, it's not like the most professional thing in the world. I could probably go in and add some more things and perfect this. Yeah, definitely. But like, I did it. It's the first time I've ever done something like this. Like, I did that scar across my face, but like, this was a big challenge for me. Like, this is the first like real SFX thing I've ever done. And I'm surprised at how much I can actually talk right now. I can't wait to peel this off. This is so cool. Oh, I'm proud of myself. Okay, so if you thought this video was cool, if you want to see me do some more SFX videos, leave it in the comments below. Like this video, thumbs up this video, let me know. If you do want to see more of these videos, let me know what you want to see me do next. I have a very basic starter kit, so I'm limited on what I can do, but I will definitely look into doing more things. I'm sorry about the dogs barking right now. They're always barking. But anyways, thank you guys so much for watching. It took a lot longer than I expected it to. The stickiness was so frustrating, but honestly, it was so much fun to do. Hello, brightness. I probably said this already. My mind's going like a million miles an hour just because I'm super excited. Watch me go into labor like this. This is how I need to show up at the hospital. Yeah, guys, I love you with my whole heart. Don't forget to subscribe before you leave. I'm clearly putting out some quality content. Subscribe. You have to at this point. And I will see you in my next video. Bye, guys. Thunder, my dog, has been checking me out. He's like trying to figure out what's going on in my mouth. He's so cute. Come here, Thunder. Come here. You smell? Yeah. What is it? What is it? Oh yeah. That looks so good.